Hi, this is the Encyclopedia channel. ChatGPT, which has become popular all over the internet recently, what is it? Chatbot? Writing a novel? Write lyrics? Follow our footsteps to explore together. ChatGPT, the full name of Chat Generation Pre-Training Converter, is an artificial intelligence chat robot program developed by OpenAI, which will be launched in November 2022. The program uses large language models based on GPT 3.5 and GPT-4 architectures and trained with reinforcement learning. ChatGPT still interacts in the form of text at present, and in addition to interacting with natural human dialogue, it can also be used for very complex language work, including automatic text generation, automatic question and answer, automatic summary, generation of instructions and other tasks. After ChatGPT is released in November 2022, OpenAI's valuation has risen to $29 billion. 5 days after its launch, it had 1 million users, and 2 months after its launch, it had hundreds of millions of users. ChatGPT is a generative pre-trained transformation model fine-tuned with human feedback-based supervised learning and reinforcement learning on top of GPT 3.5. Both approaches use human coaching to improve model performance and human intervention to augment machine learning for more realistic results. Stanford University's research found that GPT-3 can solve 70% of the theory of mind tasks, which is equivalent to a 7-year-old child, as for GPT-3. But this does not mean that ChatGPT really has a theory of mind. Maybe even if it is not designed into the AI system, it can be obtained through training as a byproduct. Therefore, rather than exploring whether GPT 3.5 really has a mind or seems to have a mind, it is more necessary to reflect on the tests themselves. While the core function of a chatbot is to mimic a human interlocutor, ChatGPT is versatile. For example, the ability to write and debug computer programs, the ability to create music, TV dramas, fairy tales, and student papers. The training data of ChatGPT includes various documents and various knowledge about the internet and programming languages. Unlike most other chatbots, ChatGPT can remember previous conversations with users and prompts given to it. But ChatGPT also has various limitations, and sometimes writes seemingly reasonable but incorrect or absurd answers. When it went live in 2020, ChatGPT knew very little about the events that occurred after September 2019. According to the BBC, as of December 2022, ChatGPT is not allowed to express political views or engage in political activities. At the same time, some users found that ChatGPT would give wrong answers when solving more complex problems, such as finding the tangent of an equation. And it will fall into a loop when solving a linear equation in one variable. It is worth noting that ChatGPT was launched by San Francisco-based OpenAI on November 30, 2022. The service was initially launched to the public for free, with plans to monetize the service later, and in January 2023, ChatGPT surpassed 100 million users, making it the fastest-growing consumer app in that time period. At the same time, ChatGPT plans to release a professional version with a monthly fee of $20. This plan is gradually being rolled out to more countries, and the free version can be used when the demand is low. At present, it has reached cooperation with Microsoft, Quora, and other companies. Since its release, ChatGPT has been praised by the New York Times as the best artificial intelligence chatbot ever released to the public. And The Guardian's Samantha Locke pointed out that ChatGPT can generate detailed text that seems to be written by humans. Meanwhile, Dan Gilmore, a professor at Arizona State University who asked ChatGPT to complete an assignment he gave to students and found that the text it generated was comparable to that provided by an outstanding student union, believes that there are some very serious problems in academia that need to be confronted. Of course, we also found that some people put forward a different view, such as from teachers, journalists, artists, scholars, and public advocates. Wide and harsh criticism. A CBC reporter commented that ChatGPT has a tendency to hallucinate. In December 2022, the question and answer website Stack Overflow banned users from posting answers generated using ChatGPT on the grounds that although ChatGPT's answers seemed usable, they actually had a high error rate. In January 2023, the International Conference on Machine Learning banned the use of ChatGPT or other large language models to generate any text in submitted papers. New York City public schools prohibit teachers and students from using ChatGPT on campus networks and devices. The University of Hong Kong has banned teachers and students from using ChatGPT or other AI tools in classes, assignments, and assessments, deeming it plagiarism. On February 22, 2023, in order to verify whether ChatGPT can replace doctor's consultation, LV Hailong, a mental health doctor at the First Affiliated Hospital of Zhejiang University School of Medicine, asked ChatGPT to do a set of test papers consisting of Chinese licensed medical examination papers, with a full score of 100. In the end, the ChatGPT score was 57 points and failed. In the current development process of Chat, there are certainly various voices, whether they come from academia, government departments, or application users themselves. As in academia, ChatGPT will usher in the end of high school English, writes California high school teacher and author Daniel Herman. On January 26, 2023, the academic journal Science banned the use of ChatGPT-generated text in papers, and also banned ChatGPT as an author. However, the national government departments have mixed opinions. For example, the Italian government announced on March 31, 2023 that the use of ChatGPT was banned on the grounds of suspected privacy violations. Japan's Chief Cabinet Secretary Hiroichi Matsuno stated on April 10, 2023 that issues such as ChatGPT's handling of personal information should be taken seriously. On the premise that these problems are effectively resolved, the use of ChatGPT will be considered to reduce the workload of civil servants. On the other hand, the emergence and popularity of ChatGPT has also made technology companies in major countries in the world realize that the application of AI skills has broad prospects in the future, which has directly enhanced the interest and competition of technology companies in this field. For example, in February 2023, Google launched Bard, a conversational artificial intelligence service similar to ChatGPT. At almost the same time, Chinese technology companies Baidu also confirmed the development and deployment of the ChatGPT-like chat robot when Xian project in February 2023. On April 7, the language model Tongyi Qianwen developed by Alibaba Cloud also began to invite users to test the experience. The development of ChatGPT has made many people full of hope for the future of AI artificial intelligence. I believe that more technology companies will join this field. As this technology matures, it will be widely used. When the intelligence of AI robots reaches or surpasses that of humans, how should we face it? Welcome to leave a message in the comment area to discuss with everyone.